to my YouTube channel, Elliott Wave Principle. I'm your host, Shaheen. I hope that some of you at least had some profits going from over here. I did enjoy some profits, but I have an updated analysis for gold and silver, and let's see where gold and silver analysis is taking us. I'm a point of view of the updated analysis right here in front of you. I believe that we are actually going through the triple zigzag pattern. The first zigzag ended right over here, followed by a correction which was quite deep. And then another zigzag happened right over here, followed by another deep correction. Now I'm thinking there's a possibility, or actually there is a higher probability that we are actually going towards this way. The reason is if you can see, the prices went up to this resistance area and then got rejected not only on the resistance line, horizontal resistance line, but also we can see the support line that was actually defining wave Y is also kind of working as a reaction, as a resistance as well. So most common correction that we have in terms of Elliott wave analysis for corrections is double zigzag. But here we are going to see, it looks like we are going to expect it to see triple zigzag. Let me go over on 4 hourly time frame and maybe if you can see chart a little more better. So here we are. Could this be come all the way down and then bump up and come down? Definitely. Could it become somewhere over here and then go above it and cancel and come over here? Definitely. But the main point is that it's indicating that we are actually heading downwards right now. The important support region, which was supposed to be a support, prices have easily penetrated through that area as well. So a change of direction has happened, and it looks like that we are heading downward. And then once that swing is complete, then we will start our bullish price action in gold. Let's have a look at silver as well. And silver is also showing a similar behavior. I am expecting silver is already down, I think 7% or so, 6.5%. So once again, the change of the labeling for silver as well. We are waiting for the wave 4 to complete. As soon as wave 4 is complete, then we are expecting for prices to go up. So once again, I'm considering this whole wave as W, which is an A, B, and C. This has X, which is an A, B, and C. Another A, B, C as Y. Another A, B, C as X, and another A, B, C as Z. The patterns are more clear in silver as compared to in gold. So that's the reason I'm expecting for the prices to come down, um, and create a could we go beyond this area? The important support point is right over here, so we could end up being here, or we could actually find a support at the top of the support as well, and then go long over here. I hope that I was some assistant, but I did wanted to make a forecast of gold and silver and put an update to it. Wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and bye bye.